Hi, I'm Bill Zittel, President here at Lyco Manufacturing. For 40 years, Lyco has been the leader in cooking and cooling pasta, rice, dry beans, and vegetables, as well as chilling food service hot-filled soups and sauces. I'd like to introduce you to a complete pasta, rice, and vegetable cooking and cooling solution, which is ideal for producing salads and ready-to-eat meals. This small compact system is for smaller to medium-sized processors that are moving away from kettles to continuous. Lyco's proven combination cooker and cooler has been around since 1995 with over 220 systems running. This line consists of our in-feed hopper vibratory feed system, which evenly feeds product into the cooker cooler. At the discharge of the cool zone, we offer a simple and reliable dewatering shaker for removal of surface water on the product. A continuous process. 1, saves labor and time. 2, ensures a repeatable process. 3, produces a high-quality product that has been cooked, cooled, and dewatered so it is ready for the next process. For pouch chilling of soups and sauces, we are launching a brand new, smaller, compact version of our Chill Flow coolers. We call this system the Mini Flex Chill Flow. This smaller system is ideal for chilling soups and sauces for lines ranging from 500 to 3,000 pounds per hour. These systems are available in either 8-foot or 12-foot lengths, so they are compact. The coolers can be run in 2 different modes, continuous or batch. In the continuous mode, hot-filled pouches enter the system through a water-cushioned infeed. The system is first in, first out, with a starting flight and an ending flight. The product travels through the chiller at a set retention time. In the batch mode, and for very hard to cool products, the unit can be filled and it oscillates until cooling temperatures are met and the product is discharged. With our patented HydroFlow technology, ChillFlow is the fastest pouch cooling system to get your product through the danger zone of 130 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. It cools twice as fast as traditional belts or lane chillers. The unit has a single point discharge, which is ideal for a wide range of products. The same system can be used for sous vide cooking and cooling. So let Lyco help you develop your continuous process. We welcome you to come and visit our full-scale laboratory for heating and cooling equipment, where you can also run and test your products through a continuous system. To learn more, visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call us at 920-623-4152.